Good morning. My name is Brunella. What's your name?
Hi, good morning. My name is Marina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Marina. Where are you from?
I am from Juliaca. Are you from Juliaca too?
No, I am not. I am from Tarapoto. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. This is my first semester. How about you?
Yes, me too. How old are you?
I am 59 years old. As you?
I am 38. By the way, is that your cell phone on the desk?
Yes, it is. It's my new phone. It does your notebook.
Yes, it is. My notebook is blue.
Great. Well, it was nice talking to you, Prunella.
Nice talking to you too, Marina. See you in class.
See you. Bye.